Hey guys, this is Ali Grech from On Track Harvesting. We've set up this account to teach people about the good, the bad and the ugly of farming. We are predominantly a cane farm, but with the cane industry up in the air, especially in Australia, we're trying to diversify. Now normally we grow soybean as a natural fertiliser and plough it back in for the nitrogen, but this season, is our first attempt at growing it to send it away for the seed. We've sunk a lot of money and a lot of time into these crops. We have one here on the home farm and one over on the lease farm. We sprayed it out a week ago so that we could harvest. We were supposed to harvest yesterday and today and have it done. We've had 4 days of rain. Today was showers, forecast for another 3 days of rain. And then we have to wait our turn. I think there's another 2 farms in front of us due to be harvested before us. We don't have our own harvester. So I don't even know if we're going to get the crop off now. So we were really hanging out for it. And yeah, that's where we're at now. We may just have to plough it back in. It might not even be worth our while getting it harvested and sent away. I guess we just have to talk to a few people and find out. Have a look at the quality of it, if it's started sprouting or if it turns rancid. Yeah, that's where we're at. My husband hasn't had a day off in God knows when. This is our slack season for the cane. So the harvest is due to start in another 2 weeks. And he's been running flat out, getting machinery ready, keeping this going, these paddocks, everything in between, keeping the cane going. We were irrigating, now we're not. So yeah, it's not been a great day. Morning guys. As you can see, the sun is shining. Yesterday the sun came out. We didn't think it was going to. We ended up with the 3 extra days of decent rain. I think all up we got 3 inches. The bottom of the paddock has still got water sitting in it. And we had some people from Pharmacist come out and take a look. They think we'll still be able to get the crop off. So the plan is to, as soon as it's dry enough, get it off, even if the moisture is up to around the 20%. We'll cut it, send it down to Toowoomba and have them dry it. They say that's better to do it that way rather than wait till it dries further, because the pods are already starting to split and drop seed on the ground, and that's already sprouted. Some of it has started to go all mildewy, but a lot of it's still really good. So we're hoping the sun will keep shining. We'll get some wind. It's pretty cold for Queensland. For where we are, it doesn't really get cold, but the last few days after this rain, it's been really cold. So we'll just take a look in the paddock. I'm going to see if I can turn this camera around this way. I'm not even going to walk in there. Nice white shoes in the mud. Like this stuff in the top. I can feel it's all squishy. Trying to break it with one hand. It's a bit shriveled. That one's, what's that on there? See if I can find any sprouting on the ground. I've got nut grass coming back already. That's the green. I'll go for a walk and see if I can. anything down? No. I don't know, this still looks good. It is going all. Well, just from here to here I haven't found any on the ground sprouting, but my husband said that they've found a few. All the lower beans are. But I am at the drier end of the paddock, so I'm not going to go down the bottom. I don't want to get any dirtier than I already am. But that's where we're at. We are still looking like we're going to get a crop off. Not the amount or the quality that we were hoping for, but maybe by the end of the week, hopefully. Guess we'll see what happens. Fingers crossed.